Hey everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're learning how to update WordPress plugins easily using two different methods. Keeping your plugins updated is super important for security, performance, and new features, so let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Now in menu go to Plugins. Then go to Install Plugins. Find the plugin that needs an update. You'll see a message like Update Available. Click Update Now under the plugin. Once the update is done, you'll see a confirmation message. That's it. Your plugin is now updated. Let's start with the second method. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Here in Dashboard go to Plugins. Then go to Installed Plugins. Click on Add New. Click Upload Plugin at the top. Now click Choose File. Select the updated zip file. We have already downloaded the latest version of the plugin from WordPress.org, and hit Install Now. Now, compare your current version with the updated version, and click on Replace Current with Uploaded to apply the changes. Go to Plugin Installer. Go to Installed Plugins. Once the update is done, you will see the updated version. This method is handy when updating premium or custom plugins. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.